Hi, hello, my name is Harley, and today we're gonna go over how to start a blog. I have some notes here, so if I look down, just know that that's what I'm referring to. I've started about 3 to 4 blogs. We got Wix, we got GoDaddy, we got Bluehost, we got WordPress. Listen, I would like to think that I'm tech savvy, but your girl just had a hell of a time with WordPress. And I'm sorry, at this point in my little blogging life, it's not worth it for me to learn it. Do I want to learn it down the road? Yes, I do. And I would encourage you to do the same. But however, most of the people that are looking to start a blog, you don't know anything about starting a blog. So if you're someone that does know about starting a blog, this video is not for you. I am talking to the newbies, the ones that have always wanted to start a blog and never did it because you had imposter syndrome, or maybe you were just afraid to be seen, or maybe, just maybe, you were afraid of your own damn talent. The gremlins are up from their nap. Let me tell you why the perfect platform to get started with blogging is medium.com. Medium.com, hire me. No, I'm just kidding. Medium.com is beginner friendly, okay? Which means if you don't know how to design a website, if you don't know how to code, Ozzy says, get on medium.com. So not only is it super easy to write on Medium, you have graphics that you can add. You can add your own pictures in there, which I highly recommend using Canva. But they do have a plethora of choices for you to choose from. As you get more advanced, I'd say you can use Canva. But yeah, use the art that they provide. You can embed links. You can change the size of the picture if you want it to be like the whole top portion of the page. It's really, really cool. I highly suggest, if anything, if you take anything at all from this video, is to at least go and check out medium.com and see if it might be right for you. This post isn't even sponsored, so this is really just how much I love Medium and how much I want to help people that really want to start a blog that feel like they're not capable or they just don't know enough to do it, because it really is so much easier than people make it out to be. And I don't know why that is, but that's why I'm here. I had the worst imposter syndrome, and I truly believe that writing on Medium has skyrocketed not only my confidence to believe in myself and to believe what I can accomplish moving forward, but also you have a sense of community in Medium. There are so many writers on there that are new writers that want to learn and want to get better. And there's a lot of writers on there that teach other writers how to get better. There's clubs you can join, and you can all chat through Discord. For instance, I'm in the Medium Writers Club, and so far what I've taken from there is Grammarly. I didn't know Grammarly existed, and now like I cannot write a blog post without Grammarly. CapitalizeMyTitle.com, that is an amazing reference point for if you don't know specifically what needs to be capitalized in a title. CapitalizeMyTitle.com is awesome. And it also provides SEO research as well. More on that way later. Let's get you started on how to create a blog. So you can use any email address that you have. If you need help setting up an email, drop me a comment or DM me. So the first thing we want to do is connect our email address. Let's go to medium.com. So this is what page looks like. Medium, stay curious. And you can sign in with email, Facebook, or Google. I'm just gonna sign up with an email. Okay, check your inbox. Gotten a little notification on my phone. Finish creating your Medium account here. Let's go here. All right, full name. So let's just say our name is BRB writing. Okay. And then what are you interested in? So I'm interested in self-improvement, productivity, money, mental health, science, life, business, writing, relationships, ooh, psychology. We love that. Fill out as much as you want. Anything at all that calls to you. So this to me is good. I feel like I've clicked a lot. So, okay, then it brings you to here. So I am going to highly suggest that you do the $5 a month subscription. And here's why. You only get 3 stories to read when you aren't subscribed monthly. When you have the $5 a month subscription, you have no ads. You can listen or read any story. You can read offline on the app. It's so much better for the quality that you're getting. And for only $5 a month, listen, for WordPress, I think to get some of the special widgets that you want, that alone is like $25 a month. So you're getting everything that you need and it's $5 a month. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to press continue with the free account so you can see what that gets you. Then we can come over here, right? Okay, so this is the main dashboard. Everything that we just picked that we liked is up here. So we're following mindfulness, lifestyle, education, psychology, relationships, so on and so forth. Based on the things that you like, here is your feed. And notice how they say member only. So I can read this no problem because this is basically free to the public. It's in a publication. This is the publication. If I go back and I click on this member only, okay, this member only story is on us. So I believe you only get 3. Okay. So go to your profile, which will be up on the right-hand side. Say that you already made your profile and all of that fun stuff, or you don't even care about the profile right now. You just have so much on your heart and mind that you want to write. Come over here to the right icon. Look at this. It's literally so easy. Title. Best tips for new bloggers. Not only that, okay, then you can have a little subtitle. So, new bloggers must read. Highlight that. Everything comes up. Do you want it bold? Do you want it italicized? Do you want to include a link in it? Do you want it capitalized? Do you want it all lowercase? Do you want to start a paragraph? So right here, I'm going to take this second little T here and make this the subtitle. Okay? All right. So let's come up with okay, best tips for new bloggers. New bloggers must read. First things first. So glad you are here. Okay, so say we have our first few paragraphs. Also, I already showed you over here, so I'm going to exit out of this. So we have our first few little paragraphs. Let's go ahead and say that we want to add a picture. Let's put excited. Okay, I'm going to use this because I think this is so cute. But look at that. And it already marks everything for you. How perfect is that? Okay, and then let's say that you're having a little bit of writer's block and you're like, you know what, I started this blog and now I need a break, I need to eat lunch, I need to go for a walk, and I need to come back to it later. It automatically saves everything that you write, so you can automatically just go and exit out of the website, or you can come back here, press this medium icon, and do your thing, baby. And maybe in the next blog post, I will show you how to fully write a blog post and how to share your links, and some of the other stuff I do. If you have any questions, please let me know. I wanted to keep this nice, short, simple, and sweet. I wish you all the best of luck. And if you want to find me on medium.com, my name is